Do you have any upcoming plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visiting family.
How often do you visit your family?
I try to visit them once a month.
What's your favorite TV show right now?
I'm really into Sky at the moment.
Do you like to listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day. I like rock music.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to indie rock and electronic music.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm definitely more of a night owl.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee. How about you?
What's your favorite coffee shop?
I like John's Coffee because they have great espresso.
Do you enjoy going to restaurants?
Yes, I love trying new restaurants and different cuisines.
What's your favorite restaurant in town?
My favorite restaurant is Riuna.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes and gadgets.
What's your favorite piece of clothing?
I love my comfy jeans and favorite sweater.
Do you follow any sports?
Yes, I'm a fan of Ronaldo team.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to a few concerts. They're always so much fun.
Do you like to attend events in your city?
Yes, I enjoy going to festivals and local events.
What's your favorite holiday of the year?
I love Christmas because of the festive atmosphere.
Do you have any goals for this year?
Yes, I want to travel more and learn a new skill.
What's the best thing that happened to you this week?
I got a promotion at work.
Do you like to watch sports on TV?
Yes, especially during the World Cup.
What do you usually do before going to bed?
I like to read a book or watch a TV show to unwind.
Thanks for watching. Click this for watch basic conversation video in English.